The Amazon rainforest is one of nature's greatest treasures, a unique ecosystem that is vital to the health of the planet. Extending over 5 million square kilometers, the Amazon is home to a rich biodiversity of animal and plant species, many of them still unknown to science. The Amazon forest is responsible for important ecosystem services such as climate regulation, oxygen production, soil protection, and water purification. The forest is also home to millions of people who depend on it for their livelihoods and culture. However, the Amazon rainforest faces increasing threats such as deforestation, illegal logging, mining, and the illegal trade in wild animals and plants. These activities have compromised the forest's ability to fulfill its vital role in regulating global climate and preserving biodiversity. For this reason, it is fundamental that the world knows and values the Amazon forest and its natural riches. It is important that the global society understands the importance of the forest for the survival of life on Earth and for the future of the next generations. The preservation of the Amazon rainforest is everyone's responsibility: governments, companies, and citizens, who must work together to ensure the sustainability of the region and the protection of its biodiversity and ecosystems. Knowing and valuing the Amazon rainforest is essential to its protection and to the maintenance of the ecosystem services it offers. The Amazon rainforest is a patrimony of humanity and must be preserved for present and future generations. The Amazon rainforest has been affected by deforestation for decades, with many areas being cleared for activities such as agriculture, mining, and cattle ranching. Deforestation is one of the main challenges facing the Amazon rainforest. Human activity, such as agricultural expansion, mining, and cattle ranching, are the main causes of deforestation in the region. Forest loss has serious environmental, social, and economic consequences. One of the most direct consequences of deforestation in the Amazon is the loss of biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to thousands of animal and plant species, many of them unique and endemic to the region. When the forest is cleared, many species lose their natural habitat, and this can lead to the extinction of entire species. The biodiversity of the Amazon is fundamental for maintaining the planet's ecological balance. The Amazon forest is responsible for important ecosystem services such as climate regulation, oxygen production, soil protection, and water purification. In addition, the degradation of the Amazon rainforest also has significant impacts on the global climate. The Amazon is an important carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When the forest is cleared, this carbon is released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Climate change is one of the greatest threats facing the Amazon rainforest and the planet as a whole. Rising global temperatures, sea level rise, intensification of extreme weather events, and ocean acidification are some of the most visible impacts of climate change. The Amazon rainforest is an important carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and contributing to the regulation of the global climate. However, deforestation and other human activities in the region have compromised the forest's ability to fulfill this role, releasing large amounts of carbon into the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. In addition, climate change also directly affects the Amazon's biodiversity and ecosystems. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can affect the distribution of animal and plant species, leading to loss of biodiversity and ecosystem imbalance. In summary, the Amazon rainforest is an important ecosystem for the entire world. It is home to many animal and plant species, plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate, and provides important ecosystem services to humanity. However, it faces many human threats and pressures, and continued forest loss will have serious consequences for the environment and the local communities that depend on the forest for their livelihoods.